Alice Michael Richards with the Morse code. And so here we come over to the board. And say if you want to do A, which is what's on the board right now, 0, 0, 0, it'll be a dot and a dash. And then so if you want to do something like I don't know, C, which is this. C will be a dash dot, dash dot, which is what we're expecting the light to be. So there we get dash, dot, dash, dot. So we hit, and then so if you want to do D, or what else? Oh, D's fine. D is gonna be a dash, and then 2 dots. As you can see. And then I think I skipped B, so let's go. Let's see what B does. So B is a dash and 3 dots. And you kind of get the picture from there. It's the Morse code version of the circuit. We have A through H on here. Thank you.